Hey guys, what's up? I'm Bruno, and today I'm going to talk about a product that I met recently, and that has made a big difference in my life. I'm talking about GlucoFreeze, a nutritional supplement made entirely of natural ingredients that help the body maintain adequate blood glucose levels. I know that many people suffer from blood sugar problems, and that this can be very worrying and uncomfortable. I have been there myself, and I know how important it is to find an effective and safe solution. That's why I decided to try GlucoFreeze, and today I'm here to share my experience with you. The first question many people ask is whether GlucoFreeze really works. The answer is yes. It is a very effective product and has helped many people to keep their blood glucose levels under control in a natural and healthy way. Another very common question is about how to take GlucoFreeze. It comes in capsules, and it is recommended to take 2 capsules a day before the main meals. It is important to follow the instructions for use to get the best results. Now, the question everyone wants to know, is GlucoFreeze good? I can say for sure that it is. It is made from natural ingredients and has no harmful side effects to health. In addition, it helps regulate blood glucose levels effectively and durably. But is GlucoFreeze really worth it? I would say yes, for sure. It is cost-effective and can help improve your quality of life significantly. Now, a very important question: where to buy GlucoFreeze? The best option is to purchase it directly on the official website of the product, which will be in the description link and also in the first fixed comment of this video. Buying on the official website, you guarantee the safety and quality of the product, in addition to having access to exclusive discounts. But who is GlucoFreeze suitable for? It is recommended for all people who want to keep their blood glucose levels under control in a natural and healthy way. It is especially suitable for people with diabetes or prediabetes, but can be used by anyone who wants to improve their health and well-being. And what are the benefits of GlucoFreeze? In addition to helping control blood sugar levels, GlucoFreeze can also help improve cardiovascular health, increase energy and mood, and reduce appetite, which can be very helpful for anyone trying to lose weight. Of course, not everything is flowers, and I also need to talk about the pros and cons of GlucoFreeze. Among the pros, I would highlight the proven effectiveness of the product, its natural and safe composition, and ease of use. Already among the cons, I would highlight just the fact that GlucoFreeze may not be suitable for people with allergies to any of the ingredients present in the formula. And now, the question everyone is waiting for: does GlucoFreeze really work? I can safely say that it does. I've tried it myself, and the results were incredible. My blood sugar levels are much more stable, and I feel much healthier and energized. But don't just believe me. Try GlucoFreeze yourself and see the results for yourself. And remember, the official website for buying the product is in the description and the first fixed comment of the video. Do not buy on other websites, as you risk purchasing a counterfeit or tampered product. Get your GlucoFreeze only on the official website. I hope you enjoyed my experience with GlucoFreeze, and that you have a life full of health from now.